Good morning, students. Students, today I am going to explain class 10 chapter topic physics numericals of exercise 8b. Students, these numericals are very important, and in the ICSE, two numericals from this exercise you will get, as well as in this terminal exam also you will get. So our first numerical of this exercise is, the diagram is given, and according to the diagram, so first question is, what is the reading of ammeter and voltmeter when key is open? Students, when the key is open, current will not flow. So when the key is open, ammeter reading is 0. In the first, when key is open, so ammeter reading will be 0. That will be 0. Then when voltmeter, at that time voltmeter reading will be 2 volt. So then when the key is closed, then total resistance with the circuit, total resistance, just clarify with the diagram also. So total resistance is equal to R plus small r. What is capital R? That is the external resistance, and this is the internal resistance. So that will be 4 plus 1, that is 5 ohm. And according to the Ohm's law, I is equal to V upon R. So what is the V? V given, that is 2 volt. So upon R 5. So it will comes 0.4 ammeter. So we are having a 0.4 ammeter. And voltmeter reading. So voltmeter reading, if we find voltmeter reading, then voltmeter formula, reading formula we are having. So make it sure that this one formula we are having, E minus IR, EMF minus current into small resistance. So what is the EMF over here? So that is 2 minus, so current we are just find out 0.4 multiply resistance. How much resistance we have find out? So that is internal resistance in the question, that is 1. So 2 minus 0.4, it comes to 1.6 volt. So this is the first numerical. So same way the second numerical also they have asked the reading they have asked that EMF is equal to, in the second numerical, EMF is equal to given, that is 3 volt. Then volt is potential difference is given, that is 2.7 volt. Then current is given, that is 1.5 volt. So let the internal resistance, let the internal resistance be small r. So same formula we are going to use, V is equal to E minus IR. So this formula we are going to use. So what is V? 2.7, E we have to E, what is E given? 3 minus I 1.5 R. Negative goes to other side, become positive, then 3 going to that side, 2.7. So 1.5 R is equal to 0.3. So it comes R is equal to 0.3 upon 1.5, that will equal to, we will get 0.2 ohm. This is the ohm. So like that we can find out the this one. Then third is equal to, third one, same way we are having a third numerical also, that is total resistance in the circuit. Total, first of all we have to find out the total resistance, that is 2 you have to go through the diagrams also. I am not going to draw the diagrams because it will take time. So go through the diagrams, clarify the diagrams, take the book in your hand and try to solve this one with me. So total distance is equal to 2 plus 0.7 plus 4.5 is good. That will come, sum of this one is 7.2 ohm. It will come 7.2. Let the current I, let current be I. So same formula we are going to use according to the Ohm's law. Ohm's law is equal to V is equal to IR. From here we can write I is equal to V upon R. Okay, so what is total V over here? That is 1.8 upon 7.2. It comes 0.25 ohm. 0.25 ohm. Then they have asked to find out the potential difference. Potential difference means in B portion they have asked to V. So which formula we are using? E minus IR. E minus IR. So that it is given that. So is equal to, what is E? 1.8 according to the book minus 0.25 multiplied by R. What is how much is R? 2. So solve it, you will get answer 1.8 minus 0.5, it comes 1.3 volt. Okay, now the fourth question, next fourth numerical, we are going to solve it. The fourth numerical is, we are having a battery of EMF 15 volt and internal resistance 3 ohm is connected of two resistor of resistance 3 ohm and 6 ohm in series. They are in series. Find the current through the battery and potential difference the terminal of the battery. So small resistance R is equal to, in the fourth numerical, R is equal to 3 ohm is given. Then E is equal to, potential difference is equal to 1.15 volt. It is 15 volt is given. Then R, total series, how much R in series? 3 plus 6, that is equal to 9 ohm. That is equal to 9 ohm. Now resistance, total resistance in series, R series we can say, R series is equal to, this is also in series now, resistance, total resistance plus this resistance. So 3 plus 3 plus 6, it comes 12 ohm. It comes 12 ohm. Now according to the potential difference, we have to find out I, current is equal to V upon R. How much V is given? That is 15. That this is equal to V. Okay, so V upon R. How much R is equal to 12. So it is equal to 1.25 ammeter. Okay, so now we are going to find the V also. V is equal to IR. So how much current is given? 1.25 multiply resistance. This resistance, not internal resistance, we are not going to calculate. Resistance, only the external resistance, that is 9. So when we multiply this one, we will get 11.25 volt. Okay, so by this we can find out. This is the fourth answer. Now next one we are going to find the fifth numerical we are going to solve. Fifth numerical, a current is cell of EMF epsilon and internal resistance R sends a current 1 ampere when it is connected to an external resistance 1.9 ohm, but it sends 0.5 when it is connected with the external resistance 3.9. Find the value of epsilon and internal resistance. So in the first case, formula we are going to use I is equal to E upon outer plus smaller. Okay, resistance, outer resistance plus smaller. In the first case we are having case 1. In case 1 we are having given it is given that I is equal to how much current is given? 1 ampere. 1 ampere is given and R is equal to 1.99 ohm is given. According to fill over here, so I is equal to 1 is equal to small e upon capital R 1.9 plus small r. Cross multiply E is equal to 1.9 plus r. This be a first equation. Now case 2. In the case 2, second case, so we are having, it is given I is equal to 0.5 ampere, R is equal to given 3.9, it is given 3.9 ohm. Now fill it in the same formula, I is equal to E upon R plus R. So I is equal to 0.5 is equal to E upon R is 3.9 plus small r. So cross multiply, here you will get E is equal to 1.9, when you multiply 3.9 plus this, it will becomes 1.95 plus 0.5 r. This is also E and this is also E. Equate 1 is equal to 2. Equating by, when you equate it, you will get 1.9 plus r is equal to 1.95 plus 0.5 r. So when you solve the r from here and fill in either first or second. Okay, so any you can find out, you will get the next answer. Put answer. Okay, now the important questions start from the sixth numerical. So these type of questions, one you will get in the exam. Two resistors having the resistance 4 ohm and 6 ohm are connected in parallel. So two resistors are there, they are connected in parallel. So this is the diagram of parallel combination. Okay, so this is A and this is B. So this is the sixth numerical. Now one is 4 ohm and one is 6 ohm. This will be R1 and this can be R2. So formula we are having 1 upon R parallel. R in the base we have to write parallel. So 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. It will comes 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 6. Take the LCM of this. So LCM become 12. So 4 3 are and 2. It comes 5 upon 12. This is 1 upon R parallel is equal to 5 upon 12. And student made mistake over here. So there we want a reciprocal. Okay, so it becomes 12 upon 5. So its answer will be 2.4 ohm. This is very important numerical. Like this numericals are very important. Understood? Now the second one is, the next one is seventh one, are four resistors. Each of the resistance 2 ohm are connected in parallel. So 4 resistor 1, 2, 3 and 4 all are connected in parallel between A and B, and each are having a 2 ohm. So each are having a 2 ohm. So find the effective resistance. How to find out? Or this is R1, this is R2, this is R3 and this is R4. So now 1 upon R parallel is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3 plus 1 upon R4. Okay, so it comes 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2. So what will be the LCM? 2 is the LCM. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. It comes 4 upon 2. So 1 upon R parallel. We want R parallel. So it comes 2 upon 4. Reciprocal of this. So it becomes 0.5 ohm. So we will get 5 ohm. Now the eighth one we are having. Eighth one. So that is eighth one is 3 resistors of value 2, 3 and 5 are joined so that the total resistance will be less than 1. So student, when you need the least resistance, so you have to always combine it in the parallel series. You have to combination in parallel only. When we need in the resistance, less resistance, so always we are joining in the parallel. So they are asking about we need less than 1. So 3 resistors are there. So according to the formula, 1 upon R parallel is equal to 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 5. So take the LCM of this. So LCM we are having a 30. So here comes 10 plus 15 plus 6. So it comes 31 upon 30. What is this? This is 1 upon R parallel. We need R resistance in parallel. So it will become 30 upon 31. So reciprocal of this one. So what will be the answer? So answer will be 0.97 ohm, which is less than 1 ohm. So we can connect, we can join in the parallel. Okay. So next, this type of numericals are very important. So next one, 9th one is the 3 resistor each of 2 ohm are connected together so that the total resistance 3. Draw the diagram to show this diagram. You try to solve it. Okay. So next one, we are having 10th one. So 10th diagram is given, like this diagram is given. So you have to split it, the wire, split the wire from the points. So this is A and this is B portion. So this is 2 ohm, this is also 2 ohm, this is also each resistors are of 2 ohm. See, write the name, give the naming it R1, R2, R3, R4. Student made mistake over here. What they are doing? They are firstly these R1 and R2 are in series, whereas R3 and R4 are in parallel. So they are combine all those this resistor and made mistake. And here they got a wrong answer. So what we have to do first? Firstly, these two are in series. So first R1 R series. This is on the 10th numerical. So R series is equal to R1 plus R2. So 2 plus 2 directly, which are in series, we have to add directly. That will be 4 ohm. Now R3 and R4 are in parallel. So here we have to find out R parallel. So 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2. It becomes 2. So 1 plus 1, that is 2 upon 2 is 1. So R parallel also will be 1 ohm. Now total resistance will be combined, will be these two and these two combination. So R total resistance, R total will be R series plus R parallel. So what is R series? That is 4 ohm plus 1 ohm. So it will become 5 ohm. So this is our answer. Got it? So firstly we have to combine this one in series and these are in parallel. So 1 upon R1 plus R3 and 1 upon R4. So when we get the parallel answer and series answer, then at last you have to add it simply. So then 11th one. So 11 numericals is here. A combination consists of 3 resistors in series. 3 resistors in series. So these are in series. 4 similar set. That means this type of 4 set are there. So we have to make 4 set. So 1 set, 2 set. This is third one. And fourth one, 4 similar set. This is the 4 similar set are here. Draw the diagram because 1 marks you will have a diagram. So this is R. So then each resistor are of 2 ohm. So each are of 2 ohm are there. So all are 2 ohm. Now it is very bit easy one. First we have to find out the in first set in series. In first set R series is equal to 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is 6 ohm in one set. Then similarly in second also 6 ohm, third also 6 ohm, 4 also 6 ohm. So total 1 upon R parallel is equal to 1 upon R series 1 plus 1 upon R series 2 plus 1 upon R series 3 plus 1 upon R series 4. So series 4 means we can write this is Rn. R series we have to find out, this is first one, similarly second one, third one and fourth one. So 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 6. So 6 will be the LCM. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So it comes 4 upon 6. So we need R parallel, that is in resistance in parallel. So 6 upon 4. So it becomes 1 upon 2, 5 ohm will be our answer, or 1.5 our answer.